Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're on Ubuntu and logged into a graphical session or have SSH access. This matters because methods differ. Next, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T for the fastest path. It launches GNOME Terminal by default. If that does not open, click Activities, type Terminal, and hit Enter to search and launch manually. Once done, make sure your keyboard shortcuts are enabled in Settings right arrow keyboard shortcuts. This explains why the shortcut might fail. If the basic shortcut or search doesn't work, you can launch the terminal through the Applications menu. Activities, show Applications, then Terminal. This is useful when shortcuts are remapped. For directory-specific work, right-click inside Files, Nautilus, and choose Open in Terminal so your shell starts in that folder. If the graphical session is frozen or unavailable, switch to a TTY with Ctrl plus Alt plus F3, log in, and run commands there. This step explains how to recover without the GUI. To finish, create or verify a persistent keyboard shortcut in Settings right arrow keyboard so you always open Terminal quickly. This prevents future confusion. If GNOME Terminal is missing or you prefer another emulator, install one with sudo apt install tilix or GNOME Terminal, then set it as default. If opening still fails, check running processes with ps-aux grep GNOME Terminal, and, if necessary, restart the display manager with sudo systemctl restart gdm. This single troubleshooting tip resolves many launch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.